a good grove of bamboo here, just kind of edges along the train tracks. Here's a nice plant here that I'm going to harvest. All right, bamboo's been drying out in my garage. Now we're gonna cut off a segment and make our nunchucks. All right, there's one segment. And we'll cut another segment. There we go. Got two segments. They're both, of course, hollow to the joint. Now we drill a hole and put our paracord and simple set of nunchucks. Using a 1/8 inch drill bit because we're using 550 paracord. Now we take a length of paracord, seal off the edge, and coat hanger, and thread the paracord through the hole. There we go. And then with the other side, you thread it through so that the two are facing. Pull that through. And then you're left with that. I'm going to tie a nut into the knot just so it won't pull through. Pull that through. You pull them all the way together and tie the knot as far in as you can so that they'll spread apart about 6 inches. So push that knot in as far in as you can, like that, and then cut off the excess. And then I'll just to give it a little bit more finished appearance, sand the edges here. And then just for a little bit more refined finish, I'll just put a touch of electrical tape. The neat thing I like about the bamboo Skills Advanced, you can fill it with rice, you can fill it with lead shot, whatever you want, whatever you feel, concrete, whatever your skill level. As a hollow bamboo item, certainly a good beginning nunchuck to use for children. So there we go. Set of simple, easy to make nunchucks using a renewable free resource and paracord in 5 minutes. Thanks, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, Repurpose and Reuse, where I take everyday items and turn them into new creations. Thanks again. Take care.